Back, folks, and we got a 2015 Volkswagen Passat TDI SE, and she's loaded. Yeah, she's got the big alloys on her. One owner, of course. Over 20 dealer service records. The car is perfect. No paint work on this vehicle. It is equipped with heated seats, backup cam, factory sunroof. Got the big alloys on her. 42 miles to a gallon, folks. Yup, lots of torque and power. Great road piece. Check out the body. It's like new. Very clean. Service safety inspected. All recalls handled. Nothing outstanding on this car. We've road tested, put over 100 miles on it, and it's a pleasure to drive. And when you see the savings and all that gas, makes it all the worthwhile. Come on down, DasCleveland.com. This car is going to qualify for a guaranteed credit approval program. Yes, you can save money at the pump with bad credit. Yes, sir. Come on down. Couple paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, hour of your time. View that one owner perfect Carfax. Down payments on this vehicle is going to start at $795. Yup, don't hesitate. They don't last long, especially ones this nice. DasCleveland.com.